Hey, welcome back everyone to another video. Look, I'm going to get straight to the point. If you're a dividend investor, if you like dividends, you do not want to miss this video. So without further ado, let's begin. Companies that consistently increase their dividends tend to be high quality companies. Companies with the potential to weather market turmoil and still provide strong risk-adjusted returns over time. On the other hand, companies that cut or suspend their dividend may have cash flow problems or too much debt on the books. Investing in companies that not only pay a dividend but consistently increase it over time has historically been an effective way to outperform the broader markets. For those of you that have seen a lot of my dividend videos, you know that I've mentioned several times the S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats, or ticker NOBLE, N-O-B-L, where you invest in the top dividend-paying stocks that have increased their dividend a minimum of 25 years or more, and they must be a component of the S&P 500. Although, other Dividend Aristocrat investments that you may have not seen yet are REGL. This is the ProShares Mid-Cap Dividend Aristocrats Fund. It has 52 total holdings, and they're all comprised of S&P Mid-Cap 400 companies with a minimum of 15 years consecutive dividend increases. So not as large as the obvious large caps, right, with 25 years of consecutive increases. The mid-caps only have to have 15 years to be in this fund. Sector weights are capped at 30%. That's nice because you know when you invest into REGL, you're not investing into one sector. It's spread out at least a minimum of no more than 30% to one sector, which of course is always good for diversification. Again, why do we like these types of funds? Well, of course, companies that have paid dividends and increased them have outperformed dividend payers, non-dividend payers, and obviously dividend slashers. And here's the data on that. This is the Russell 3000 index, and it shows investing $100 from the 80s all the way up until just a few years ago. So the total return for this fund year to date is 10.27%. 1 year 9.94%, and the 3 year 11.86%. Now, why don't I include the 5 year or the 10 year? Well, this fund has only been out since 2015, so it's currently in its 4th year, and so next year we will see the 5 year performance of this one. Now, of course, I always like to look at these funds on Morningstar, and this one is above average return with low risk, 5-star Morningstar rated, which is really, really excellent. Now, let's quickly move on to the small cap version. The closest thing, these companies are being groomed to become dividend aristocrats. The ProShares Russell 2000 Dividend Growers, ticker SMDV, small dividend, number of holdings 61. And in fact, if you've seen a lot of my other dividend videos, the bonus stock that I mentioned at one of my previous videos is included in this Hillenbrand, ticker HI. Now, of course, this is made up of companies of Russell 2000 with a minimum of 10 years of consecutive dividend increases. So you can kind of see a pattern. The small ones have to have 10 years, mid caps have to have 15, large caps have to have 25. Now, what's nice about this setup here, incorporating these two into my overall portfolio, is I now have Noble, which is the large cap. I now have REGL, which is the mid cap, and then the small cap. So I'm not market cap weighted heavy among my dividend aristocrat investments, which I really like. It's just another form of diversification. So again, the sector weighting is capped at 30%, so you're invested in several different sectors. The year-to-date return on this one is 8.69%. 1 year is 11.63, and the 3 year is just over 12%, which is excellent. Again, the 5 year returns will be out next year. This fund was created in 2015. If you enjoyed this quick dividend video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out and lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job uploading quality content. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and continue to follow our dividend investing journey here as a community. Of course, don't stop there. Check out one of these videos. I think you'll like one.